Hello, Coachies. I'm Lauren with My English Coach. I received my TEFL certification in Costa Rica. Afterwards, I taught English to students of all ages, but specialized in teaching business professionals. Then, I returned to the United States and began teaching online. I've been teaching online for over 5 years to students of all ages. Recently, I've specialized in teaching Chinese children. However, I'm eager to get back to working with business professionals because I know how important honing in on those English abilities can be for professional development in any career field. With that in mind, I want to encourage you to speak, no matter what the situation or how intimidating it can be. It's always a good idea to practice your English. You will be understood, and the more that you speak and realize that you can get your point across, the more confident you'll become in your speaking abilities. So with that in mind, again, I'm Lauren, and I hope to speak with you soon. Goodbye.